Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Big news for all the EV truck fans out there. Chevy's cranking up the innovation on the Silverado EV, and it's starting to feel a lot like its flashy cousin, the GMC Hummer EV, alongside sharing the same Ultium battery pack. Chevy's now rolling out Sidewinder mode, its take on diagonal driving, as a standard feature for the top-tier RST trim. Sound familiar? Yep, that's because the Hummer EV's been crab walking its way into the spotlight since 2022. So, what's the deal with Sidewinder? It lets the Silverado EV turn all four wheels in the same direction, enabling diagonal movement at speeds up to 20 miles per hour. While it's undeniably cool for showing off to your buddies, it's also super practical. Imagine squeezing through tight trails or slotting into a tiny parking space. Sidewinder's got your back. But don't worry, you won't find yourself randomly zigzagging down the street. The feature only activates when you engage it through the infotainment system. Chevy even dropped a slick demo on their Instagram. If you haven't seen it, you're missing out. Now, let's talk numbers. The base Silverado EV starts at $57,095 and packs a solid punch with 510 horsepower. Opt for the max range pack, and you're looking at an impressive 492-mile range for the work truck variant. But the RST trim is where things get wild. 754 horsepower plus the choice of an extended range or a massive 205.0 kWh max pack. In our recent test, the RST didn't just perform, it crushed it. We recorded the second best range ever and placed it just behind the fastest charging EVs on the market. What do you think? Does the Silverado EV's new feature make it a serious contender, or is it just another fancy trick? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic EV content. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.